Hi Libra, welcome to my channel. So today we are doing your reading for the month August 2020. Okay, so we'll see what are the cards for you for this month. Let's see. Okay, so this is a general reading. As you all know, it might or might not resonate with all of you, alright? And if you are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest readings. Alright, so before proceeding towards our reading, I just did pre-shuffling, and the cards I got were the message actually, because there were many cards. There were 3 of swords, 6 of cups, and what else we had? Queen of Pentacles, Justice. That was you. So I'm seeing that there was a decision taken. You took a decision in some recent time in your past, where that decision was actually, you just broke someone's heart and you took that decision for your stability, but I also saw that there were some kind of regrets. 5 of cups and 5 of cups and lovers came. So I was seeing that there were some kind of regrets in your part as well. So you were thinking about this person, but you chose something more stable. This was the same message which I think we did this reading for the Libras. I'll share the link over here and we'll see, just go and see that reading as well. Alright, so I'll be looking over here your past energies, your present and your future energies. Let's see, what do you have? There is something over here. A lot of confusing energies in your side, Libras. Okay, so your overall energy is Ace of Cups over here. So I'm seeing some kind of clarity or some kind of a communication over here that you are doing, or you need to give some kind of clarity to someone or something like that. Okay, so your past energies are 2 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles and 9 of Rods. You were confused, you were juggling, but you then took a decision. See, you were thinking that what should I do, whether I should call this person or not, whether I should move on in this relationship or not, whether I should take this job or not. But I'm seeing that you took a decision somewhere and you got busy, and then it happened with the 9 of Rods. We will clarify this 9 of Rods, what exactly this is, why are you feeling guarded, or you are guarding yourself. We'll see. Your present energies are King of Cups, the Moon and Ace of Pentacles. I'm seeing that your inner energies are more of a very emotional kind of an energy. You are feeling somewhere that you should go deep within yourself, you should involve with yourself. You are wanting to take some time with you, like reading books, see how this person is reading, doing something which will make you happy. But at the same time, there are new openings coming up, might be new people coming your way to start a new beginning, to just tell you that let's start a small business also. You are in that zone where small things are attracting you. Your future energies are Knight of Swords, 8 of Rods and the Chariot. So a communication is coming your way and it's coming really fast. We will see. Alright, so let's clarify this Ace of Swords first. What is this in your overall energy, please? Ace of Swords, what is this Ace of Swords telling us, please? Ace of Swords. Okay. cards. Let's see. Okay, we have a card over here. Alright, so I got it. With the Ace of Swords, you have got Nine of Swords and the Hanged Man. See, this is the Ace of Swords. So you are in a state where I am seeing that you have to clarify something. This is something which you need to do. You need to clear some stuff. You need to have some talking with someone, but you are being very how to say this, you are actually yourself, you are not able to take a decision, you are not able to work on that, because I'm seeing that you are hanging on, you are not taking any action over here, but you have to. That is something which you also want from within, but still you don't have that courage, because with the Nine of Swords, it's like your hands are tied, you cannot do that thing. You are in that mode where you know that the clarity has to be given from your side, but how can I do? I don't have that courage. You know, you are not able to get that courage to talk to someone over here, and that is why you are hanging around. You are just hanging like this person. You are just thinking that okay, tomorrow let's delay. You are delaying things basically. I'll talk tomorrow, I'll day after tomorrow, after August, after July, something like that. All right. And that is why, you know, you were in that energy, whether I should talk, no, yes, no, you are juggling, you are trying to balance. Okay, so let's see the Three of Pentacles in your past energies. What is this telling us? Three of Pentacles, please. Oh wow, there are so many cards. All right. Three of Pentacles, what is this? Knight of Pentacles. We have one more knight over here. Okay, so Knight of Pentacles is telling me that, you know, you are just taking no action. I'm seeing that your energies are, being a Libra, all your energies are more of a earth sign. Yeah, you are playing with the pentacles. You are, at least in your past, at least you didn't take any action, because I'm seeing you are juggling, you are trying to find balance, you are not communicating, you are holding on, and yes, see, Two of Wands again, more confusion. You know, one question brings two questions, then two more questions bring four new questions. So that is what you were going on. You were just sitting over there, you were analyzing some things, but you were not taking any action. So the questions just, they started increasing, and all you were doing was, oh my god, I'm not going to talk. Finally you just decide at the end of the day, no, I'll not talk, I'll not talk, no. And that is why I'm seeing that this is something which is telling me that no, a no from your side. See, with the Death card, it's all, it was no from your side. No, I really, if it's ending, let it end, I don't care. So you are in that, you were in that energy where you were not doing anything. All you were saying was no, no, no. I'm not seeing that you are taking any action towards anything. Let's see what does we have, what else we have after the Death card, please. Anything else do we need to know? So many cards. All right, something else do we need to know? Okay, so this came out, Nine of Pentacles. So yes, so again you were like, why should I do this, why should I call? First you were, you know that you are meant to clear things out, then you were like, no, I will not. That energy where, okay, I should call and tell the person what exactly happened, and then no, why should I talk to that person? That person should understand himself or herself. Understand? Yeah. Let's see your present energies. King of Cups. What is this King of Cups telling? Judgment. All right, next, Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Something else. What do we have? Six of Pentacles. All right. Okay, so your present energies are changed. So you were in that mode where you were saying, why should I call, whether I should call or not. You were hanging, you were thinking, but I'm seeing that there is a change coming your way in your present. You know, deep down inside your heart, you know that I have to take a decision. The Judgment card is telling me that you know that, and if you are taking a decision from your heart, that is the best thing, and you are doing something which is actually telling you to just go and say, tell the person what was exactly, you know, how you felt. This is something of a, I'm seeing that there is an energy where you are actually trying to tell the person, you are wanting to balance the situation, balance the things between you, and by this you are taking the charge of the situation. I'm seeing that you are in your present, at least if you're not taking the action, at least you are thinking to take an action, because this is more of an inner energy with the Moon and King of Cups. You are still in that, you know, inner mode where you are still thinking, but at least you know that yes, I have to do something. Let's see the Moon. Okay, Nine of Cups. Ace of Rods. Alright, so I'm seeing that with the Moon and Nine of Cups and Ace of Rods, this is still an energy which is just inside you to start a conversation, to start a talk, but it's still more like a lazy energy to me, where you are just maybe tomorrow, you are still in that mode, but over here I'm seeing that you know that you have to talk. You know that any business also, if it's regarding any business as well, you know that you have to start the things. They will not get started by themselves, you know that. Let's see the Ace of Pentacles over here in your present energy. Knight of Swords. All right, okay, so there are two energies over here with the Magician. All right, so this actually means that, you know, at least one small step can take you to another level. That is what you are bringing this thing to your mind now. Your heart told you something, then your mind is actually able to, you know, balance. The Six of Pentacles is more of a balancing energy, where you are trying to balance your mind and your heart. And your heart over here, see, your mind told your heart told your mind that you have to take a decision, you know that. So your mind is actually taking some kind of an action over here with the Magician and Knight of Swords. I'm seeing that there's some things which you know that you cannot hide. You know, if it's a small step, you have to take it at the end. Let's see, because Knight of Swords carried out in your future energies as well. That means your present only will tell your future. So that is what your present, your mind is actually gathering all the information, gathering all the things which are needed to take a small step. Let's see the Knight of Cups in your future energies. The World. Yes, so this means that something is coming to a closure. If your spiritual energies now, they have enlightened, I'm not saying that you have enlightened spiritually, which Buddha did. No, I am not telling you that. I'm saying that your spiritual energy, there was a cycle from which you were going through, and it is coming to an end, and you are actually, it's you who are doing that. Because with the Magician, it's not like, you know, it's a journey within yourself where you try to take some things on your charge. You know, you take charge of some things. Okay, and you are going to communicate. I'm seeing over here with the 8 of Wands. Let's see what is this Chariot. The Fool. Yeah. And Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Alright, so in your future as well, when you will finally gather all the energy, when you will finally gather all the information, everything you need to talk to that person, that clarity which other person needs, when you will gather everything, you know, then it will happen that you will actually move forward and you will talk to that person, and you will actually ask the person whether you are ready for to take this offer, and are you ready to enter in this new zone or new relationship. Are you ready to give me one chance, one more chance? So this is the card for one more chance. So this is something. If it is if by any chance it's not you, it might be the other person as well, because if it's not your energy, it might be the other, because I'm doing a general reading. I just told you that it might or might not resonate with all of you. So it's like, if you are not able to resonate, if it's happening with the other person, so might be the message is coming from the other person and they are actually collecting all the energies. But this reading was for you, so I know that this is an energy which is actually resonating with you more than them. Alright, so just be ready for this, to offer this new relationship, you know, to just give this new offer of something more stable. Let's see some kind of advices from the universe. Let's see what does my Librans have. What advice does my Librans have from the universe? Please tell me some kind of advice you want to give to my Librans. Let's see. Okay. One last shuffle. Wow. Okay. Yeah. We have Fool and 10 of Cups, but the least expected card came up with the 2 of Wands. So this is telling us that you want to go to that new energy, you know, you want to settle and you want to be with that person. All is the main problem is the confusion inside your head. You have to take a stand basically, and that is what you are not able to do. So the universe is telling you, just go and stop freaking out, go towards that new energy with lots of enthusiasm, with whatever you have, and start that new family, whatever you really want to start. If you really want to start, just go, just don't think about that. So just move away from this energy. This is what the universe is also trying to tell you. Alright Librans, so that is all from my side. I hope you like the reading. Please give a thumbs up if you really liked it, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.